In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom form on a Wix website tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a form to any page and fine-tune it so it looks and works the way you want. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor for the site you want to update. To add forms to your site, look to the top left of the editor and click the plus icon. This is where you add new elements to your page. From the panel that opens, select Contact and Forms. This section houses ready-made form options as well as tools for building your own. Now, click Add Form. A selection of templates will appear, ranging from simple contact forms to more detailed layouts. If you see one that fits your needs, just drag and drop that template onto your page. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout. If you want full control, choose Create New Form to build your own from scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to shape exactly the fields and structure you need. Once the form is on your page, select Edit on the form, or if you created a custom one, you'll be taken right into the form editor window. This is the control center for your form. Here, you can add or remove form fields and tailor how everything is arranged. Add common fields like name, email, and message, or include drop-downs, checkboxes, and multi-line text fields depending on what information you need to collect. You can reorder fields by dragging them, rename labels for clarity, and use placeholder text to guide visitors on what to type. If a piece of information is essential, mark that field as required so people don't skip it. Beyond the fields themselves, you can edit the look and feel to match your site's design. Adjust fonts, colors, and button styles so the form blends seamlessly with your branding. Tweak spacing, borders, and alignment to keep everything clean and easy to read. If your form is on a busy background, consider adding a subtle background color or a light border to improve contrast and readability. As you work, glance over the entire page to make sure the form's alignment and spacing feel balanced with your other content. Clear labels and a concise submit button label help people complete the form quickly and confidently. That's all there is to it. You've added a form, chosen a template, or created one from scratch, and used the form editor to customize both the fields and the design. With those steps, your Wix site is ready to capture the information you need in a polished, professional way.